The class is puppetry, and it's essentially about puppets. Throughout the semester, we make a few puppets, and it's sort of a studio class where you have time to work.
I did drama club in high school, and I did a lot of props. I was a props head, and I really enjoyed it. I really like making things. I'm a pretty creative person.
I've mostly been involved on the other end creatively in terms of writing or directing, so it was super exciting for me to actually be able to fabricate my own puppets.
It's a studio class, so usually what happens is we come in, Patrick gives us, not instructions really, like guidance more of what we could do and like what techniques would give us what results basically. I think you're setting your students up for success when you give them guidance rather than like instructions that tie them down to do a specific thing, especially in the arts.
You should take this class because it's super fun, first of all, and also because you get the opportunity to do something in a way that's practical, because a lot of art you can put on a wall, but puppets, you make them and they get used. So it's something that's really exciting and also actually broadly applicable.
The biggest thing I learned is that I really need art in my life, and I like doing creative things even if I'm not even good at certain things. It's just fun to do, and that's important.